recommend disabling any mods and trying again. Error, one or more mods failed to load content. This usually occurs when you're loading a world builder file that depends on mods which are missing, disabled, incompatible after a patch/update. Step-by-step fix for Civilization 6, mods failed to load content. Error. 1. Disable all mods first. Go to the game's main menu, additional content, mods. Click disable all. Relaunch the game and try loading the world builder file again. 2. Re-enable only essential DLCs. Re-enable only the required official expansions, DLCs, Gathering Storm, Rise and Fall, or any specific one used in your map. Don't enable community or custom mods yet. 3. Check which mods the world builder file needs. Open the .cs6 map or .civ6 save file using a text editor like Notepad++. Search for mod ID or mod name. It tells you which mods are required. Make sure those mods are still installed and enabled. Check 4. Verify the mods are installed. If using Steam, go to Steam Library, right-click Civilization Vasif, Properties, Installed Files, Browse. Then check Documents, My Games, Sid Meier Civilization V6 mods. If mods are missing, re-download from the Steam Workshop. 5. Update or remove outdated mods. Some mods break after game updates. Go to the Steam Workshop, search the mod name, and check. Is it updated recently? Are users reporting issues in the comments? If outdated, disable or remove it. If updated, re-download and enable it again. 6. Try rebuilding the map without mods, if needed. If the file was created using now deleted mods, the game cannot load it. As a last resort, recreate the map using only base game plus official DLCs. Optional. Enable logging to find specific errors. 1. Go to Documents, My Games, Sid Meier Civilization V6. 2. Open appoptions.txt. 3. Set logging enabled 1. 4. Now check logs, database.log, modding.log. These logs will help you see which mod or asset failed to load.